Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today we are going to learn how to create a Payoneer account. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly you need to open the web browser of your choice. After that you need to go towards the search bar that is in the top and type Payoneer. And when you have successfully written it, you just have to press enter in your keyboard. After that, this web search result will be shown, and in the first web search result, there is sign up for free option and create a Payoneer account. So you just need to click here, and you have to wait for a few seconds depending on your internet connection for it to open. After that, as you can see, there is a sign up and get $50 option here. Just click here. After that, there are different forms that you need to fill up. So firstly, you need to enter your first name, last name, email address, again enter your email address and date of birth. So let's add it. When you have successfully entered everything, there will be a next button. You just have to click on the next button, and now you are on to the next process. So again, you just have to enter the name of your country, your street number, address, city, town, your postal code, your mobile phone number, and they will send you the verification code. And let's do this first. Now I have entered everything that has been asked, and next thing is to wait for the verification code and write it down. So they have sent me that verification code, so I'll just write it down. When I've entered the verification code, I just need to click on the next button. Okay. And next part is our security details. So I just need to enter my password, re-enter the password again. There are a few security questions, you just need to answer it, and you need to enter your ID type. That can be your passport, driving license, or national ID card, and the date of issue and date of expiration. And when you have entered all the security details, then you will move to the next process that is almost done. And after doing all these things, you can successfully create an account in the Payoneer. So this is how you can easily create an account in Payoneer. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.